Big 90s curls are in, and if you're wondering how to get them, I got your back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to achieve those Julia Roberts, Mariah Carey big 90s curls. And actually it's a lot easier than you think, because the bigger your hair is, the more, messy it is, the easier the styling technique. So let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Barbie, I'm a curl coach, and I've been helping curlies understand, care for, and style their curls since 2020. Through educational videos just like this, and through Curls Monthly, my curly hair subscription box. Each month, Curls Monthly delivers 5 curly hair products to your doorstep, starting at $28 a month. So if you're ready to simplify your curl routine, start finding products that your curls will actually love, and get curl education along the way, tap the link below to join Curls Monthly. I'd love to help you on your curly hair journey. Okay, so let's talk about the 7 steps, because there's only 7, that are going to completely transform your sort of lifeless, flat, over-defined hair into big, voluminous, 90s inspired curls. The first thing is to clarify regularly. Having these big curls, it's almost like a lifestyle. Your fluffy curls will never appear if there's product buildup. And you'll get frizz, but you'll get kind of like the bad, ugly kind of frizz, not like the cute, fluffy, poofy, bouncy frizz. So definitely make sure you're clarifying at least once a month to give you a clean slate. I have a million videos on clarifying that I'd love for you to check out, especially if you're not sure what that is. But other people might have to clarify every week, every other week. Depends on what your hair needs, but definitely make sure you're doing it at least once a month. Number 2, you're gonna wanna use thickening products. This is so underrated. I don't think that people realize how thickening products work. And most people think that your shampoo and your conditioner don't matter. Like, they'll spend millions of dollars on the best, most expensive curly hair products, and then just completely deny their shampoo and conditioner when that is everything. Thickening shampoos, when they're well formulated, are literally designed to plump up your hair. It plumps up your hair strands scientifically, formulation-wise, making your strands appear fuller. They'll be thicker and more voluminous. Now I know what you're thinking. You don't know what thickening shampoo to recommend. That's why I have one on today's video, which I'm so excited about. So highly recommend the Odele thickening shampoo. This product actually just entered the Curls Monthly product vault in February 2026. So if you are subscribed to Curls Monthly, you can now get this in your mailer. And if not, go subscribe while supplies last. So this is literally formulated for increased density, strength, and scalp rejuvenation. It is clinically proven to help your scalp and just stimulate your scalp to also support healthy hair growth, which is always something that we want. And it's actually formulated for all hair types and textures. This is not a specific curly hair product, because as I always say, when you slap the word curl on it, you can just charge more. It doesn't always mean anything. And actually what's so great about this product is it's formulated great, but it also is quite affordable. Typically the price is about $11.99. It depends on the store location, but you can get it at Target, CVS, Ulta. And actually Odele as a whole is a clean beauty brand. So if that's something that you are really trying to pay more attention to this year, this is a clean product. It's also a gender neutral brand for my guys watching, because we realized this year, a very random thought, that I think it's like 15% of our audience are males. So for those 15%, it's gender neutral. It's dermatologist tested, color safe, and also vegan. So looking at the ingredients, thickening shampoos are good for volume because they use ingredients temporary plump individual hair strands to kind of create that illusion of thicker, fuller hair. They add body and lift, especially right at your roots. So let's dive a little bit deeper into these ingredients on how this all works. We see right at the top that we have sodium C1416 olefin sulfonate. I talk about this ingredient all the time on this channel. It is a clarifying ingredient. So actually, technically, this is a clarifying shampoo, but it's like more of a gentle clarifying shampoo. We also have rosemary, which is gonna help stimulate your scalp. It's also so great for hair growth. Caffeine also stimulates your scalp, just like it stimulates your body. Improve circulation in your scalp. Pea peptides are one of those volumizing ingredients that help create that thicker looking hair. Biotin is going to help boost your density as well, and also strengthen your hair. And then of course we love aloe vera. Aloe vera really is so great for just creating a really nice, healthy scalp environment. But yeah, I'm so happy that this is in Curls Monthly. When I saw this, I was like, okay, I have to make a 90s video with this, because really, your shampoo is the foundation of a 90s look. Again, you're gonna wanna skip by this. You're gonna be like, I'd rather care about my mousse. Yes, that is great, and I'll get to that in a second, but like if you're skipping shampoo, it's never gonna look the way that you wanna look. Which leads me to number 3. Do not section your hair when you apply your product. I know when I do my routines, you'll typically see my hair like section my hair into 3 or 4 sections and go through with a styling brush or whatever. And that's great if you want a mix of definition and volume, but that method alone won't give you those like fluffy big curls. That's just not what they did in the 90s. Instead, you're gonna wanna like rake the products in by scrunching your hair, by like flipping back and forth and upside down. Like you wanna go all over the place. The messier, the better. And if you want that no part look for your stubborn middle part, you can optionally either take your fingers or a styling brush, take small sections and just kind of brush style them up and back so you're not actually ever creating a real part on your hair. Number 4 is super important. You're gonna wanna aim for a leave-in conditioner and a mousse or a foam, not a cream and a gel. Gels just won't give you that like nice big fluffy look. They'll make your curls too defined, too shiny. All of those factors are just not part of a 90s look. Instead, you focus on lightweight products like lightweight leave-in conditioners, lightweight mousses, lightweight foams, etc. Number 5, make sure that you are diffusing. Air drying and 90s hair does not really go hand in hand. Like the diffuser will give you the big curls. If you're skipping diffusing and wondering why your curls aren't voluminous, it's because you're skipping diffusing. Diffusing is going to set your hair in place, whereas when you're air dry, your hairs are gonna look flatter and just less curly and less big. Number 6, hairspray. When your hair is 100% dry, you're actually going to grab a hairspray, which might scare you a little bit, but just trust the process. You wanna kind of just flip your hair to one side and spray the hairspray, and then flip upside down, spray the hairspray in the back, and then to the other side and spray the hairspray on the other side. And then you wanna stay flipped upside down until the hairspray dries, which takes like 30 seconds. If you want it to go faster, you can always grab a diffuser and like dry the hairspray manually. And then number 7, you wanna pick apart your curl clumps. You wanna like literally sit there and pick apart the clumps that like get a little bit too clumpy. This will just create more ringlets in your hair. When you have more ringlets in your hair is going to be fuller looking. Make sure, of course, to clap and scrunch out any type of crunchiness that's left behind in your hair as well. And there you go. If you follow these tips, it's literally just 7 things. And honestly, these types of routine are so easy because you're not going for perfection. Like the point of it is to look messy. You will have those gorgeous, big 90s, fluffy, Sarah Jessica Parker, Julia Roberts, Keri Russell hair. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're looking for a great shampoo, I highly recommend the Odele Thickening Shampoo, which is in this month's Curls Monthly box. Drop your 90s curls questions below, and I'll see you next time.